Hello friends, hello everyone. Through this video we are going to learn second lesson of Micromedia Flash, and that lesson is Flash CS6 advanced features. In first lesson we learn the basic animations, how can we do the basic animation. In this we are going to learn some advanced features. So what are those advanced features? What are the points which we are going to cover today? It is how to apply a sound effect to an animation. As you know, the sound is the soul of animation. With animation, if you will apply the sound, different sound effects, so it would be more attractive, more interesting for the audience, those are going to watch your animations. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So we'll begin right from the beginning, like how you can download the sound and how you can add it into with editing. So all the steps I'm going to show step by step. Please watch this video carefully and keep practicing at your place. So let's begin the practical sessions of today's. We are going to learn how to download the song and how to convert into MP3. Okay. So sound effect. We need a various sound effects for our presentation. Okay. Animation, we need different sounds. So here I'm going to download a sound. Like now already I have downloaded one sunrise sound effect. But now for you I'm going to show a different one. Let's take a car sound effect. And I'm going to search. Now here we have the different sound effects. So from that we need to test which one we want. Only car engine sound effect, then this will be car. Then car crash sound effect, then this will be the car sound crash effect. Let's play and check. Car started. There is the crashing sound effect. So we want this sound. Okay. So go to address bar and select it. Select it and copy this. How to copy? Right click of mouse on that and copy. Then take a new tab, start Google and search YouTube to MP3 converter. You need to search in Google YouTube to MP3 converter and you will get this first link, YT MP3. Okay, YT MP3 converter you have to go. Then here is a box. In this box you have to right click of mouse and do paste and click on convert. So it will take few seconds or few minutes and then it will show you download button. So you need to click on downloads. So here downside you can see the progress, it is getting downloaded. If you are using the Chrome browser, then it will be same as it is I am showing. Okay, now our car sound effect is downloaded. So where it is downloaded, just show in folder. We will check the folder. Here is the car sound effect. Okay, so that we will copy and we will keep into desktop. Okay, with this sound effect we will keep on desktop. So I'm going to minimize this one also, this one also. So everything I will minimize and I'll paste it on my desktop. Here we have the car sound effect. Okay, why I have kept on desktop? Because we want to take it again into the presentation animation. So how to take that also I'm going to show. Okay, so here I have pasted the car sound effect. Now we don't want that long sound, so we are going to edit. So that's why I'm going to use Audacity. Audacity is a sound editing software. This you can easily get from the internet. You can download it. Okay. So here I'm going to start this Audacity and I want to take that car sound effect. So I can take it directly from the folder also. From here, see, here we have downloaded. So that I'm going to take to Audacity. I have dragged and I have dropped in Audacity. This way you can open, directly drag and drop. And you can also get from import. Okay, import audio and you have to go to that location and you can get it. Now let's do editing. We want this sound.
Okay, this portion of the sound we want. So I'm going to select this. I'm going to copy this one. Okay, which we don't want, just select other part and press delete key from the keyboard, so it will get deleted. This part we don't want, so select it and delete it. So now only the part which we want, it is remain there. Now this we need to save. How to save this? Go to file and do export. Go to file and do export. So here I'm going to click export audio and type the name, car sound, anything you can give, okay, whichever you like, but give relevant name. Now car sound, I have given the name and it is saving on the desktop. So you be sure that where the location of the sound file, because when you want to add into animation, you need that location. Click OK, and now it is converted. We don't want this sound app, so I'm going to close this. This also we don't want, so I closed. Now how to get into the presentation? Okay. Now for what we have done till now, we have started YouTube and we searched the sound, and then we did link copied and we pasted into the converter site. Okay, converter website we have converted, and then we downloaded, and then now we have edited it. Now finally we are going to take into the presentation, but we want to prepare the presentation for that according to that good presentation, right? So I'm going to take a new file, click OK. It is car sound, so I'm going to draw a car here. Take a brush small little bit. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a car. Okay, I'm not a good artist, so the car is not in that proper shape, but I know my students are very creative and are very good artists, so you can create a good car. Okay, so here I have selected and I have drawn the car. Okay, now our one car is ready and we will prepare the animation. Okay, we will prepare, right click, insert keyframe. This we want to animate. Okay, these all steps you already know. This car, I have clicked right click on the shape. Then I have clicked on layer. Again, I clicked on the keyframe and I select create motion tween. And then we will apply the motion to it. Fine. Okay, we can do one thing. At the first place, we will reduce the size little bit. Okay. So we'll get more time. Why I have reduced the place? So we can get good time. Okay. So this is a car and moving. Now there is no sound. So how to get applied the sound effect to this? It's very simple, very easy. Pay attention now. Here is a main point what we want to learn today. So here I have taken this car. Now I'm going to and in file we want to import. So whatever things we want extra which is not in the flash, that we need to import. Import means we can take it. Okay, so import, either you can take directly to the stage or to the library. So do one thing, you need to import to library. And where is the sound file? Now we have to find out the location. That's why I said you should know the location of file. So here I have the car sound effect. Okay, open this. Now where is that sound? That sound is imported to library. Here is the library. You can see the car sound. Here it shows library and here it shows car. So now this sound, how we can get it to presentation, animation? Click on the car. Okay. When you will click on the car, you will get different option here in the properties. Okay, we'll do one thing. We will insert one layer. Right click and say insert layer and click on layer. second layer and go to downside property. This property will be activated when you will click on this button. See, when I'm clicking on this, it is getting activated and deactivated. Okay, so that you have to just watch. So now here it is this we will close action frame we don't want. Okay, that frame we don't want. So here properties we have. Once again you have to click on layer, then you have to go to sound, and here you can see the car sound. It will show only when you will import to library. Okay, from library it will show. Now our car animation and sound effect also ready. Let's play and check. Okay, now it is only one car and it is only just going, and that sound effect, the sound and animation is not matching. So to match this sound and car animation, what we can do, we can insert one more car, insert layer. Okay, and what we will do is this, we will draw one more car on the second layer. That color I'm going to select. Those who joined this class late may be getting confused, so don't worry. I have recorded this video. I'm going to share with you all, so you can watch this. Okay, our second car also got ready now. Okay, now we will apply animation to it. Insert keyframe. Select the frame separately now. Create motion twin. Take an arrow tool and move it to this. Okay, and this one again, insert keyframe and now look at this. Okay, such way you can apply the car accident. So I have prepared for sunrise. Previously, which I had shown the demonstration, that is of sunrise, and this is a car accident. So this way you can apply the sound effect. I hope so you understood how to do the sound effect and how to apply the sound effect. Right from the beginning, how to download, how to edit, and how to convert, how to export, and how to get from the proper location, that I have shown in this section. Okay.
So dear students, just now we have learned how to apply the sound. Okay. Sometimes the sounds won't be ready for you. Sometimes you need to create. So here I'm going to show one example, a good example. Definitely you would like to see and to do this practical. So you can create your own sound. So here I'm going to create tree falling sound. So how I'm going to create, just see it practically. Okay. So watch this again the next session carefully, and you can prepare your own sound. You can create your own sounds.
Fine. I have the paper with me. So stop chatting and you will miss. Okay. Stop chatting, otherwise you will miss. So now I have this paper, and with this I am going to make a sound of trees falling. How can we do that? So here I'm going to record this sound. So that's why I clicked on Audacity recording option. Now I'm crushing this paper. Okay, crush it. So take little hard paper which is crunchy little, so the sound will be good. And our sound is recorded, and let me check. You need to crush it properly like this. Okay, but while crushing you need to keep it to mic side, so it will get recorded properly. Okay, so it's done. I'm going to put up my cam. Let's see our sound, which we have made it, whether it is how and recorded or not. Okay, so it's very low volume. We'll increase the volume. Let me amplify it. Now you can hear the sound which we have recorded. And now this sound we are going to apply to our animation. This remaining thing I don't want, so I have cut this one. Now this sound. Again, we can increase some more sound so easily you can hear that. So let me increase some more. Okay, okay. Now we have increased this. Let's export it into MP3 format, tree sound. Okay, tree sound. Save. Okay. Now how to take this tree sound to our animation? Let's go to the animation again. We'll prepare the animation first. What effect we want? Right click, insert keyframe, select it, select the layer, right click, create motion twin. Now here is little change. We need to select this second one, free transform tool. So dots will appear around it. And what animation we want? It should fall like this. So I'm rotating it, so it is falling down. When you will press enter, it will seems like tree is falling. You can see. Okay, so now this is fallen. Now we want to apply the sound. So go and select insert layer. Okay, keep at the beginning. Then we don't have the sound here, so we need to import it. Go to file, import, import to stage, and then you can go for tree sound. Tree sound. Okay, got it. Here is a tree sound. Open it. Fine. And now we'll go to layer 2 and we will select sound downside. This property box will appear. It would show like this. Then you have to click on this button, then sound and tree sound. Okay, let's play and check. Okay, so this way you can create tree falling sound. You can make your own different sound. You can make a stories. You can give your own sound to the cartoons. They are talking with each other. So different simple stories you can make with the help of this animated story. You can create your own things by using this such creativity.